Oh my goodness, look! Hi guys! Look, we have our Coolio magic microwave today. Why don't we go ahead and open it up? There's so many gumballs in it. I mean, there has to be something cool. Whoa! Oh my goodness, look! There's a giant red egg in there. And it sounds like something's in it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yes, look! We got all of the Paw Patrol. Marshall and Rocky and Chase and Zuma and Rubble and Skye. Look at all of them. You know what? Why don't we stick them in here with the egg and see if they turn into anything cool. Let's start with Marshall. Let's add a couple red gumballs in there. Okay, let's stick it in the microwave and see what happens. Wow! Let's do the chicken button. Or maybe, yeah, let's do the chicken button. Okay, let's see if anything cool came out of the egg. Oh my goodness! Marshall turned into his riding outfit and he got super big. Look how big he is. Oh my goodness. Look how cool Marshall is. That was awesome. I can't believe that happened. We have to try that again. All right, Rocky, you're gonna go next. And let's throw in a couple green gumballs. And you know what? Maybe a yellow one too. All right, let's see what happens in the magic microwave. Pizza button. Oh my goodness. That one was fast. Let's see what's in it. Look what Rocky turned into. He's a totally cool pup food ninja. Look, he even has a yellow belt from our yellow gumball. What happens when we push his little tag? Oh my goodness, look what comes out. That's so cool. Look at our cool Paw Patrol. Oh my goodness. Okay, why don't we do our next Paw Patrol? Like Chase. Chase, you're next. With Chase, we're gonna put a blue gumball and a yellow gumball. There we go. Okay, now let's put this back on. Let's see what happens with that. Okay. Let's do the popcorn button. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open this up. Ah! Look what Chase turned into. He's a super pup. Oh my goodness, he has a cool yellow cape. He's blue and yellow like the gumballs we did. Cool. Look at all these cool Paw Patrol we're getting. Oh my goodness, let's do it again with Zuma. Okay, Zuma, what are we going to put in you? Let's just do orange in you, Zuma. Orange gumballs. Let's see what happens. Ooh, let's see what Zuma turned into. Oh, what's that? He's squishy. He has a little loop. Ooh, look, It's a flashlight. Look. Ooh, blue flashlight. Oh my goodness, he's cool. Cool Zuma. Look, he's the same size still, too. And he's wearing his cool orange hat. Okay, let's do it a couple more times. Come on, Rubble. Let's throw in some yellow. And you know what? Let's throw a purple in with Rubble. See what happens. We're gonna do the pizza button again. Yay! I'm so excited to see what Rubble turned into. Oh, what is that? Oh my goodness. It's Rubble as a cowboy. And look, he has a purple bandana like our purple gumball. What happened when we push his button? Oh, look at that. Dig up some dirt. Oh my goodness, he's so cool. Look at his cool cowboy hat. Oh my goodness, look how cool all of our Paw Patrol is. Okay, we have one left, and it's Skye. So let's just put in some pink gumballs with Skye. Cover her back up with our little egg. And then let's do the baked potato button. Let's go. Come on, come on. Yay! Oh, this is our last egg. We gotta enjoy it. Ooh, it sounds fun. Oh, look what Skye turned into. Whoa, she turned into a Weeble Wobble. Weeble Wobbles can't fall over. Look when you spin them around. Whoa! Wow! Hitting all the gumballs, all the Paw Patrol. Look how cool all of our Paw Patrol are. Alrighty then, say bye to all the Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye.
More bubbles. Bubble soap. Oh my goodness, look at all those bubbles. Hi guys, look what we have today. It's all of Paw Patrol. And we have a sink here that they're gonna play in today. So let's go Skye, Marshall, Rocky, Rubble, Zuma, and Chase. Oh, they're all in the sink. Now let's put some water in there. Ooh. That's all the water we need. Okay, now that they're soaking in the sink, why don't we go ahead and cook them up some food? Let's pull out our frying pan. Let's turn on the heat. There we go. And let's put in some drumsticks. Oh no, I think we need to turn it down. It's a little hot. There we go. I think that's good. There. Okay, let's flip them over. Pups are gonna love this. Okay, I think that's good. I have a little plate here to put our chicken on. There we go. Whew. Okay, gang, come get some chicken. Rebel, Chase, Zuma, Rocky, Marshall, Skye. Okay, guys, dig in. Hum nom nom. Hum nom nom. Nom nom. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum yum yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Okay, it's all gone, guys. You ate it all. I want more. It was so good, I'm stuffed. Yeah, I guess I'm pretty full. Yummy! Let's go back to the pool sink. All right. I just pick you guys up on this plate and let's put you back in there. Oh, nice, guys. But I'm gonna need your help. I got all of this stuff all dirty. Oh, need to turn these off. Gotta clean them a little bit with your guys' help, okay? Add a little more water. Okay, then I'm gonna grab some soap. Oh, look what kind of soap I have. It's Chase Bubble Soap. Ah! Chase, come here. Where are you? Look what I have. No way, I love Chase Bubble Soap. Good, because we're gonna use it. Okay, we need to get all the pans all soapy. Ooh, that's some good soap right there. Okay, now that's enough Chase soap. Now let's do Skye's bubble soap. Skye, look how cute you guys are. Oh, you match perfectly. Cute Skye. So let's open up. Let's open up Skye's bubble soap. And let's add some more bubbles. Bubble soap. Oh my goodness, look at all those bubbles. A little more Skye bubbles. Okay, that's enough of Skye bubbles. Now let's do one more bubble soap. Let's have it be Marshall. Marshall, look how cute you guys match. It's the perfect bubble soap of me. Yes, Marshall. Let's go ahead and open up Marshall's bubble soap. Okay, let's grab some of Marshall's bubble soap and get some more bubbles on here. Ooh, bubbles. Just a few more and I think that'll be enough. There we go. Look at all that bubble soap in there. Ooh. Okay, I think that's enough. Now let's go ahead and rinse everything off and dry them off. I got some towel here to dry them off. So let's grab this, rinse it off a little bit. And we're gonna dry it off. There we go, squeaky clean. Okay, rinsed off the frying pan, drying it off. Gotta get the handle. Woohoo! There's our clean frying pan. Then we just rinse this off in the water down there. Dry off the spatula. And our little tongs. And we have some silverware in here. There we go. Okay, Paw Patrol, time to get out. Oops. You got lots of bubbles, Skye. There we go. We got all of our Paw Patrol all clean and with full bellies. Okay, say bye.